DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
DJM TV.
Welcome back. We are live again at Alausa, where Nigerians be they protest police brutality, and we are here to give you the story as they go. All of them be they say make police brutality stop for Nigeria, and then Lagos, Alausa, Lagos. Now Mr. Macaroni be that one of very influential people for social media. He don't dey here since last night. We go try see if we can follow him talk to tell us how it go and why him don't decide to do these things with. Why him decide to do this thing with him fellow social media people. Mr. Macaroni, good morning. There seems to be plenty coordinations going on, and guys still they busy, but we go try see if we can get people, one or two people to talk to. The police are here too.
To cover every event that is happening here. Do you understand? Many of us leave our work to come here, to come here and when the election is around now, they will know you young people are available. They will know where it exists. But when it is time like this, they will not see them. So it is important that the police, they reform themselves from the top to the bottom, because none of their subsidiaries can do anything without the backing of those who are at the head of them. That is justice. Thank you.
Sleeping on the street of Lagos for the past 36 hours is not a joke.
We just getting started.
If you easy, make them they can't do it. They're going to say something which I always follow. He said, whatever no one is you. And you are saying, no, they're not going to sleep. They're not going to rest. If they say they're not going to give us rest, they're not going to rest.
I tell you, may they kill all of us now.
Of the greatest Nigerian youth. Articulous Nigerian youth. Greatest Baba. Greatest Baba. Greatest Baba. there together.
We there together.
We don't want to make we fight each other. We don't want to make sense say no, they fight them. No, they fight each other.
No, we don't fight them.
The house that is divided against itself cannot stand.
So Bible talk.
We gather here by unity.
Yup.
I know some of you came here because you saw our cries online last night. It shows that we are tired.
We bring bread, come.
We will not take this anymore.
Nah.
The speaker himself refused to see us yesterday.
You not going to come.
So when he saw that our lawyer was sharing, because you let them know say you feel the fear. But plenty day at all. Don't let us stay here.
No.
If you come for more go still come.
Sound check,
say that this barricade. You get also. So make we calm down back. We not there here to come fight.
I the red.
Show me the hear me say we not there here to come fight. Because if we fight, we not go get solution.
And the way we not come fight.
We came here for solutions. We did not come here. I would say we did not come here to negotiate. Because these people, now we elected there.
And they tell you.
Now voters card. When we elect you, they don't beg us for us. Now we put you for there. Judas Awoli, now we put you for there.
They're not for these guys. For these guys must say,
for the sons, now we put you for there. You don't figure they disguise for us.
They don't want to give us. And they tell you.
Against 80 million Nigerian youth is not possible. You have to listen to us. But first and foremost, I would like to say that, you know, these people that we are actually protesting against, they can use the law to rope us down.
That's true.
They can use the law to rope us down. Yesterday when we called for you guys on social media, our thought was that, you know, there is curfew. So they feel like, okay, these people, if they are here till 12 a.m., then we'll use curfew to arrest them. I don't want to make me play agitated. I don't want to make me play agitated. I don't want to make me first. This long, now we get on. Macaroni, now yes, today. Check social media. Now on this ground we sleep. No mat, nothing. We sleep there. We die here.
We die here.
Until you give us our demands, we go nowhere. They come just inside to talk because they are feeling the heat.
And they carry light now.
Let me tell you now that the European Union is aware of this. We are not speaking alone. If our government refuses to save us, we will call upon international bodies. I have been contacted by CNN and the office of the Minister of Justice in Canada. And they have told the IGP and anywhere that nothing must happen to us while protesting. Because it is our right. And we will fight for it. I know I want to reiterate this.
Please go ahead.
We are not criminals.
No, we are not. We are not.
We are not criminals. We are not clowns. We are intellectuals. Most of us get jobs. We don't support fraud. We don't support fraud.
I tell you.
No, it's the same. We don't support fraud. We don't support fraud. I go like us, make we move back. Because somebody that with God is coming here right now.
Okay,
I will see him.
I believe you.
But first, I want and believe that I'm speaking on your behalf.
Yeah, we believe you.
I believe that I'm speaking on your behalf. DJ, move that car back so we can all move back.
Behind. Everyone.
Everybody inside here, let us move out. Please, I believe I am speaking on behalf of 80 million Nigerian youth.
Yeah.
Everybody that wasn't in to move out. We need to observe protocol if you want solution. Please. I am begging you because of the tears that I shed here yesterday. Because instead of 12 a.m. yesterday, I lost hope in this country. I lost hope in this country. But we will not allow them to take this country away from us. This country belongs to us.
As you don't hear one of their coordinators talk, they have said they are not leaving this protest ground until say come and hear their demands. You don't want any president here, please. Oh, president out. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Do not do that. I said it's okay. Do not do that. Do not touch me.
Speaking of behalf of all the people,
Behind the barricade.
They're chasing us away.
But they go to another meeting.
Until we drag you. We don't need the press.
Please calm down.
We don't let them fuck off, Joe.
Please calm down.
Please calm down. Guys! try to shoot back.
We have a procedure. We have been following the procedure, and it will not change at this minute. We are taking our national anthem. And we are going to kneel down and raise our hand. Everybody should kneel down. Of the greatest Nigerian youth.
Yes. Spread out.
Ever professional Nigerian youth.
Yes. Spread out.
We have the honor of the Deputy Governor before us this afternoon. Please, I beg us, let us be orderly, let us listen. It is our right, it is within our right to say yes or no. Yes. But we must listen. So I beg us to be patient while we have the Deputy Governor, our own servant in the state, communicate with us.
Give him the mic, give him the mic. Give him the mic, please. Please.
What do you want?
So hold on, let's check the mic. I beg.
Want to check the mic?
Hold on, this mic will work. Let the mic. Because of the mic. Can you hear me? If I don't want to know, I don't hear anything.
The mic is
No, because of the mic. Sorry.
bring that thing closer. Bring it closer. Somebody the speaker. Bring the speaker. Speaker header. Where's the speaker? Speaker header. Raise it. Raise it.
They raise the speaker. Okay. So let me get another microphone. They can't hear me with this.
There was a microphone that was used to speak to us yesterday from the House of Assembly.
They are bringing it.
They brought the megaphone
Please keep this camera. When he's ready to talk, you can video. Huh? Why? I told you when he's ready to talk, you can video. What are you videoing now?
You guys were not here overnight. First, you get out of here. You guys were not here overnight. You're sleeping on. You're not here.
We don't want the bread. We don't want the bread. We don't want the bread.
It is not as if we do not want peace, but they are disturbing and obstructing our view of our deputy governor. So they should clear the road. We are not here for the place. That you get a podium for our deputy governor to stand on. Please, don't be coercive.
Let's shoot back, please. Please shoot back. Please shoot back.
You are pushing us. You are pushing us. No space. You are pushing us. You are pushing us. No space. Nobody should push us. This is contested. Not push us.
Deputy governor, we want to see his face when he speaks to us. We came to see our soldiers. We don't call you
No, don't do that.
We are intellectuals. We know the thoughts. We know the thoughts. We know the people. We came here to see the people who elected.
I'm saying that if this place is free, everybody will see.
So let us see. We know the chest out. We know the year. We know the chest out. We know the year. We know the contract.
Do you understand? Do you understand?
We don't sleep for streets for 36 hours.
Like this.
We know the year.
What's that? Hey, hey, no force. Please, can you see? Please, hold yourself. Hey, listen.
We know there is your segment. You do not share what the people want to see. You're going to follow all your angels. You're going to broadcast you. We are not here to judge. This is a serious matter.
Excuse me. Is that protest?
DJM TV.